Good to have you all back again. Wanted to give you an update. Apologize that it's going to have to be shot on my phone. Missing the GoPro for a minute, but I just want to show you. I got a tail running there, and then see, I got another line here. I'm going to staple that down yet. There's still a lot of button work, but the tail that I added here is going to go for a new exhaust fan light combo. So I like to have the light and the fan be able to be on separately. The other that was pulled straight up is a three-way switch that I had to pull up through the attic because right below us is the furnace. And then that three-way switch would come down and turn on the light right underneath there, top of the steps. And the other three-way is then at the bottom of the steps. So the next switch in line will be, I have a light I want to put right here, and then two down the hallway and one just around the corner right before you go in the bedroom. But that's going to be a three-way and then connected to a four-way inside the master bedroom, and then finally ending with a three-way right there before you go into the kids' bedroom. Basically, so that way when you come down, you have a path fully illuminated from the time that you come down the stairs till hitting the landing here. You have a fully lit path. And then for the master, I put one inside there. Just number one, there wasn't really a good switch location. But two, I felt like that's really custom to have that in your bedroom like that. And then nextly, before I forget, the last switch is going to control what I'd mentioned, that light, and then I'm going to put one over there. So that will be kind of a separate seating area unto itself on a single pull switch, meaning that is the only switch that turns them on and off. The other junction that I've added here, you see there's quite a bit, but see, I like keeping everything real tight and neat like that, so you can tuck it all nicely. So I also added a 14-3 wire there so that we can put a fan in for that. And again, now you have the controls at your leisure. Still have a little bit to do over here with putting in that box for the shower light. And I have to do a little bit of reframing over here before I commit to putting up the box for that as well. So that's as far as we got for the bathroom. But then if you look out here, we have new lighting. All of the circuits, miles of wire. But the lights out here work off of that light box up there. See? They're plugged into an outlet that's on the side there that I just wired up to work with the switch so that we could have some light out here. But all of this is the new fixed wiring, and all the circuits have been pulled. See? Nice. And best part of all, that nasty junction box that was hanging down, gone. So now I can swing this radon detector over into the corner, and if you see that big thick black cable that comes down, that's what had my lighting circuit for down here, as well as an outlet circuit. And the outlet circuit is right here. Is this wire that drops down, grabs the separate circuit, which is number 4 in the breaker anyways, and then that's where it picks back up and runs into the other room. But everything now is really buttoning up quite nicely. Must say, quite proud. Till next time.